Alright, so this is the paper that we were working on yesterday. We finished the front, now we're going to be working on the back. Some of you finished the top portion, some of you did not finish it. So we're going to go ahead and do an example from the top, and then we'll do an example from the bottom. So on the board we have the question on the top. 2x minus 5 equals negative 1 plus 5x plus 2. That's the original OG expression. We're going to go ahead and go through our legal moves. We don't have any tiles on the bottom, so we don't need to flip. We just go on with 0 pairs. Okay? Write down what's left after 0 pairs. We didn't do anything on this side, so it stayed the same. On the other side, we were just left with 5x plus a positive 1 now. Okay? We move on to our next thing, which is balance weights. If I take away 2 x's from one side, I got to take away 2 x's from the other side. And now I'm left with negative 5 is equal to 3x plus 1. Here we was 0 pairs. And here it was balanced sets. Alright, so now the goal, now that we have two things that are equal, is to leave the x's alone on one side. How do we leave these 3 x's alone? Well, there's a positive 1. We can't take this out because we don't have any positive 1's to take out. So what we're going to do is we're going to add something that will make it a 0. What will make a positive 1? A 0? A negative 1. Okay, but you need to be fair because now both sides are the same. If you add something to one side, you got to add it to the other. Okay, and so now I can remove this. Okay, and now I'm left with negative 6 equals 3x. Okay, and so we add 1 to both sides. Now, the last thing is we have 3 x's and we have 6 negatives, so we want to split them evenly. So, what needs to be the worth of each x? If we have negative 6 over here, we have negative 6 that we need to split evenly into 3. So 1 goes to that, 1 goes to that, 1 goes to that, another one goes to it, another one goes to it, and another one goes to it. So each x is going to be equal to negative 2. Divide into 3 groups.